close down everything. I had to close down my mind. Too many things have caught me. Too much could make me blind. I've seen so much in so many places. So many heartaches, so many faces. So many dirty things you couldn't even believe I would stand in line.